Before you start, make sure to disconnect power to the AC unit to reduce the risk of serious electric shock. To replace the manual controller on a Furrion Chill Low Profile rooftop air conditioner, start by removing the 2 screw caps at the back of the AC unit. Next, release the filter assembly. This is secured by 2 tabs at the front. Press these tabs inwards to detach it. Then remove the 4 Phillips head screws located at each corner of the air distribution box. Note that there are 2 clips adjacent to the front screw pockets. These must be carefully released to fully detach it. If your unit has manual controls, you will also need to remove the 2 control knobs to free the air distribution box. Pull the knobs straight off, or simply lift the air distribution box slightly to slide the knobs free. With the air distribution box removed, the control module will now be exposed. Disconnect the 6-wire connector from the module by squeezing the side tabs and pulling it straight back. Then remove the 2 Phillips head screws, securing the module to the mounting plate. Proceed by removing the wire clamp that secures the power wiring. This requires removing the 2 Phillips head screws on the clamp itself. On the opposite side of the control module, remove the single Phillips head screw that holds the small access cover in place. Inside the access compartment, you will find 3 wires connected to the house wiring. Disconnect these 3 wires, taking care to note their original position. Either label them or take a clear photograph for reference during reassembly. To install the new control module, begin by reconnecting the 3 wires exactly as they were originally configured. Tuck the wires neatly into the chamber within the control module. Ensure all wiring is properly tucked and routed inside the chamber. Then replace the access cover and secure it with the single Phillips head screw. Then, reinstall the wire clamp to secure the wiring. Reattach the control module to the mounting plate using the 2 previously removed Phillips head screws. Reconnect the 6-wire connector to the module, ensuring it seats firmly with an audible click. Finally, reinstall the air distribution box. Position it carefully, then install the control knobs to temporarily hold it in place while you secure the 4 corner mounting screws. Complete the reassembly by snapping the filter assembly back into position. Insert the rear tabs first, then press upwards on the front till it locks in securely. Reinstall both screw caps that were previously removed. Once everything is reassembled, restore power and test the unit to confirm proper operation.